Jai Siya Ram. I hope all of you are fit and fine. So in the last Chaupai, we have seen that how Hanumanji, when he has got an encounter, when he has faced Sursa, the mother of snakes, how he has tried to handle the situation. He has given offer to Sursa, the mother of snakes, that let me go on my task on which I am going, and let me come back, and I promise you that I will come back, be in front of you so that you can eat me. But Sursa herself was not a small problem. She was already knowing that the God himself has given him that Hanumanji is passing through this path. So she was not ready to agree on the conditions of Hanumanji. So how the Hanumanji has handled, let us understand it. But before we move ahead, let us listen this Chaupai first.
तब तब बदन पैठियहूँ आई, सत्य कहूँ मुझे जान दे माई। कब नहूँ जतन दे नहीं जाना, ग्रसस न मोहि कहु हनुमाना।
So when the problem is bigger and it is difficult to handle, you try a lot, but your first attempt doesn't works. So what to do? So Hanumanji have said, again, humbly requested, let me go on the work on which I am. Once let me complete it, I will come back and you are free to eat me. Change your flavor of food. But after I complete my work, because of all this, I don't want that the work of Ramchandra ji is left incomplete. It would be a big question on my abilities to deal with the problem. Hanumanji requested Sursa with this request multiple times. Finally, Hanumanji came to know that Sursa is not going to consider his request. So what has happened? Finally, Hanumanji have thought that, okay, you eat me. Come on and eat me. And Hanumanji here has not surrendered in front of a problem, but he has implemented plan B. Plan A was requesting. Plan B was, what was a plan B? To use another way. And what was that another way? Okay, you come and eat me. So this was a plan B which was given by Hanumanji. To whom? To Sursa. So Hanumanji here wanted to give you a clear-cut message that if plan A is not working, go for plan 2 or plan B. So this was all in reference to Sundarkand. When first work trick or the assignment or the first solution doesn't work, go for the second one. And never assume that going for the second one is feeling defeated. No. Going for the second one is that if the plan A doesn't work, go for the plan B. Now let us see how does it affect, or what is the reference, what is the meaning of this Chaupai into our family culture or the social scenarios. When the problem is bigger, right? When the problem is bigger and it is difficult to handle the problem, change the way you are dealing with it. Go for the plan B. In the family scenario as well, if there is anything that you are looking for a solution and your way doesn't work, change the way. Right? If someone is an hurdle in front of you who is your own family member, you cannot fight with him. Okay, change the way. Offer him that you do whatever you want. I am ready to suppress myself for the sake of your victory. So when you change your style, you know what happens? the person who is your opponent or who is standing in front of you, he is also surprised and he is also not prepared. So most of the time, you get a solution to this. Coming into the office culture or in an office scenario, whenever you are going to do the work and some hurdle is coming on there, when any of your colleague is creating problem, deliberately creating problem to you, accept it. First request, and after that permit him to do the so. Because when you give up, which is exactly not what is going on in your mind, you are not giving up. Basically it is like you are changing your strategy. But to the person who is sitting in front of you, for him it sounds like that you are giving up. It is a better way, right? It is a better way, so you give up. What will happen? The person who is your opponent will be a bit relaxed. He may not be preparing himself. He is not knowing. So what will happen? That when you have given up, the another person will think that you have given up. But whereas in your mind, you have a next plan for it. So it is always better. It is always better to change your way, right? So what has happened? When any of your colleague is deliberately creating a problem in front of you, you just give up. Show him that you have given up. What will happen? Number one, he will be doing something and you will be in a position to assess his steps. Right? So change the battleground in that condition. So this was all in this video. We will come into a next video where Hanumanji is going to take the plan C, the third strategy to deal the problem, which we will be discussing into the next Chopai. So that's all in this Chopai. If you are watching it on Facebook, share it with your friends, like it and leave your comment. You have to do the same if you are watching it on YouTube. So in that case, please like the video, give your reaction by putting a comment below this, as well as also subscribe the YouTube channel so that you may get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded. I would like to remind you that we upload a Hindi video on Saturday and an English video on to Tuesday. So thank you all.